Welcome to the park-like community of La Mesa, a perfect getaway from the hustle and bustle of Silicon Valley, while being less than a mile away from downtown Sunnyvale, which is a cultural connection. You're also near tons of tech companies, schools, and parks. If that sounds good to you, you're in luck because I have a gorgeous 3-star townhome for sale right behind me. Let's check it out. Come on in. We have laminate flooring leading you inside a relaxing open floor plan with high ceilings and recessed lighting. As we glide past the dining area, we enter the gourmet kitchen with high-end stainless steel appliances, tons of cabinet space, and quartz countertops. The main level is also graced with 1 of 3 bedrooms and a full guest bath with shower over tub. A skylight guides up the stairs where we have 2 oversized bedroom suites, each with their own full bath and accommodating closets. Making our way to the bottom level, there is the convenience of a laundry room with a washer and dryer and a bonus room, which can be used as an office or workout area. And to end the tour, we have this relaxing private patio that actually has 2 separate entrances. There is also a great community pool, jacuzzi, and a park right across the street. If you'd like to see this beautiful home in person, come to check my open house this weekend. And if you have any questions, feel free to call the number below. Also, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notify button to stay up to date with all my future listings. And I will see you this weekend. Bye now.